Now see students, this is the picture of our practical number 3, typical section of a load bearing wall, right? This drawing you have to draw in an A4 size drawing sheet to some scale, okay? So for that you all need to have the picture first with you, that I will be sharing the image of that in our chat box, right? PDF of the image I will be sharing, and then how to draw the drawing that I am showing you in this video, okay? So first of all, to draw the drawing, what we need to do is we need to have the scale of the drawing first, right? So how we will decide? See, what is a scale? Scale is the representation of ground features on the drawing sheet to in terms of the dimension which can be accommodated easily on the sheet, okay? So here we are going to take our scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 50 centimeter of ground. These are the dimensions on sheet and these on ground, okay? So as per that, what our scale becomes, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.50 meter. This is our scale. So it represents, if we are drawing 1 centimeter on our sheet, it shows 0.5 meter on ground, okay? So if we are drawing a 1 meter line of ground, so for drawing that 1 meter line of ground, we have to plot how much centimeter, 0.5 मीटर है, तो कितने सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे? 1 सेंटीमीटर से 0.5 आधा मीटर है, तो 1 मीटर के लिए 2 सेंटीमीटर। यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये 2 सेंटीमीटर लाइन है जो बता दिए कि ये ग्राउंड का 0.5 मीटर है, ठीक है? सो एज पर दैट वी विल बी ड्रॉइंग दिस ड्रॉइंग in our A4 size sheet, okay? So for that purpose, drawing the building components, first of all what you have to do is you have to draw a center line of the building, a straight vertical center line. You have to draw a long line dot, that way you have to draw a center line throughout the length of the building. Then the width of the foundation is 90 centimeter. So for that 90 centimeter, what you will be doing, you will be drawing a horizontal line at bottom of the page, and you will measure 90 centimeter is 0.9 meter. So as per our scale, we have to double the dimension of the drawing, as our scale is 0.5 meter. Okay, so 90 centimeter will be 1.8 centimeter, okay, with our scale. So we have to plot 1.8, so 0.9 on this side and 0.9 on this side, बराबर? बेव बाजू 0.9 लेने 1.9 करवानी. Then the thickness of the foundation is given as 90 centimeter. Sorry, thickness of the foundation is, let us see what is it is shown. It is shown 30 centimeter is there. Thickness is 30 centimeter. So plotting 0.6 mm, 0.6 centimeter for that 30 centimeter thickness, we will have a foundation footing of plain cement concrete. right? This is our foundation concrete. Now above that the 60 centimeter brick masonry footing is that. So what will be the horizontal dimension for that? 1.2. So zero point 0.6 on either side of the center line we have to plot. The thickness of that footing is again uh, it's 10, 10, 10 and 30. 10 centimeter is the thickness, right? So for that we will draw 20 centimeter thick. Will show 20 centimeter thick vertically. Then again the next footing which is of 50 centimeter, it will be 100. So zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5 on either side horizontally, and again 0.2 mm, 0.2 centimeter, and again the 40 centimeter footing is there. So for that 0.4, zero point 0.4 on both side of center line, and plotting the thickness of the footing, it is again 10, right? And then comes our 30 centimeter thick wall. It will be 0.15, 0.15 on either side. Okay, so sorry, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.3 on either side. So this becomes our 30 centimeter thick wall. See, I am not plotting it with the help of scale. Okay, હું સ્કેલનો ઉપયોગ નથી કરતી. Why? Because I have to record also from other hand. But you all have to draw this drawing using a scale and measurements, proper measurements. Okay, so you this video I am recording for your guidance purpose. Okay, હવે આપણી 30 સેન્ટીમીટર વોલની ફૂટિંગનું બેઝ આપણને મળી ગયો છે. એ પ્લિન્થ લેવલ સુધી કેટલી હાઇટ છે એ આપણે જોઈ લેવાનું. Ground level is at 30 centimeter from this base. So 30 again is 0.6, 0.6 from with our scale. So लगभग અહીંયા ક્યાંક આવે 0.6. So at 0.6 meter height you have to show the ground level. Okay, and ground level is to be shown with this symbol. Right? Now above the ground level the plinth height is shown as 60 centimeter. So 60 centimeter is 1.2 centimeter in our scale, as per our scale. So at 1.2 centimeter the top of floor is there. So આખું પ્લિન્થ આટલું 60 સેન્ટીમીટરનું છે ગ્રાઉન્ડમાં. હા, એટલે આપણા સ્કેલ પ્રમાણે 1.2 થાય. Now at the top of floor below we need to show the flooring also. So 1 mm thick line for flooring, and then the concrete base over which the flooring is done, that is 10 centimeter thick. એમાં concreting બતાવવાનું, right? And below that the earth filling is there. Below that earth filling needs to be shown. Earth filling again we need to show this way. આ ડ્રોઈંગ બધાય મને નેક્સ્ટ ટર્નમાં પીડીએફમાં સબમિટ કરવાનું છે દોરીને, રાઈટ? Now the floor height of the building. Floor height is the height from this plinth up to the bottom of roof slab is mentioned as 300 centimeter. Sorry, it is, let me see properly. Yes, the floor height is 300 centimeter. બરાબર, એટલે કેટલા મીટર થાય? 3 મીટર. એટલે આપણા સ્કેલથી કન્વર્ટિંગ ઇટ ટુ અવર સ્કેલ ઇટ વિલ બી 6 સેન્ટીમીટર. બરાબર, 6 સેન્ટીમીટર અહીંયા ક્યાંક આવે ત્યાં આપણે બતાવી દેવાનું છે આપણો રૂફ સ્લેબ. ઓકે, thickness of roof slab is not given, so assuming it 20 centimeter thick, so whatever thickness comes with our scale. Now showing dots into it for the concrete. What डोर्स बताई दो एनी ऊपर रूफनु फ्लोरिंग 1 mm थिक लाइन फॉर फ्लोरिंग ओके सो शो अ कट लाइन हियर राइट હવે આ જે ઉપરનો પાર્ટ છે ને બીકોઝ મેં પેનથી કર્યું છે એટલે રિમૂવ નહીં કરી શકાય બટ યુ હેવ ટુ રિમૂવ ઓલ ધીસ પાર્ટ and you will keep here the parapet wall above roof slab the parapet wall will be there see in the drawing it is there right so the height of the parapet wall is 10 1 meter right and thickness is 20 so 1 meter to our scale will be 2 centimeter right so અહીંયાથી બોર્ડરથી પેરાપેટની 20 સેન્ટીમીટર થિકનેસ મેજર કરવાની વર્ટિકલી વોટ એવર ઇઝ ધ હાઇટ and then you have to draw this parapet wall okay અને આ એક્સ્ટ્રા લાઇન્સ બધી પછી કાઢી કાઢવાની આ બધું ઉપરનું એક્સ્ટ્રા છે બધું કાઢી કાઢવાનું રાઈટ આ આપણી થઈ ગઈ પેરાપેટ વોલ રાઈટ અને પછી સામેની બાજુની પેરાપેટ વોલ જે કટ નથી થતી એના માટે એક લાઇન આમ બતાવી દેવાની right and then because this entire wall is of masonry the footings are also of masonry you have to show a masonry into it brick masonry okay now see the lintel is there at 210 centimeter distance from floor level બરાબર 210 સેન્ટીમીટર એટલે 2.1 મીટર એટલે આપણા પ્રમાણે 4.2 સેન્ટીમીટરની હાઇટ ઉપર લિન્ટલ સ્લેબ આવશે અને એની આગળ છજ્જા છે વોટ એવર આર ધ ડાયમેન્શન એઝ પર સ્કેલ વી હેવ ટુ ડ્રો ઇટ ઓકે સો ધીસ ઇઝ 210 centimeter height lintel again is of RCC so we need to draw it dot right now at floor level the steps are shown right see the steps are there at floor level so the dimension of the steps are not given so we will do it with our assumption that we will take 30 centimeter wide and 15 centimeter high steps તો 15 સેન્ટીમીટર હાઇટ પ્રમાણે 60 સેન્ટીમીટર ટોટલ હાઇટ છે તો આપણા કેટલા રાઇઝર થશે 4 રાઇઝર બરાબર અને 3 ટ્રેડ તો આ એક રાઇઝર રાઈટ 30 સેન્ટીમીટર 0.6નું બીજું 30 ત્રીજું ઓકે આપણી આ હાઇટ 60 છે His height is 60 centimeter. You all look into the drawing for further details. Now, it is again steps are of masonry, brick masonry. So we have to show masonry here. Now the foundation of the steps. The 10 centimeter thick footing we are assuming because dimension is not given. This is 10 centimeter footing. Okay, concrete is there. So this is all regarding the drawing of your third practical that you have to draw in A4 size sheet with the scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 0.50 meter. Okay, so following this scale you will draw the drawing and also you have to, as I have only drawn the drawing to help you in drawing but you have to add the dimension also as it is shown in the drawing okay so ખાલી drawing દોરીને મૂકી નથી દેવાનું dimension જે આપેલા છે એ પ્રમાણે બધા બતાવવાના છે right okay now one more thing remaining in the drawing is regarding the provision of door in this opening બરાબર lintel level પર આપણે lintel છજ્જા મૂક્યું તો floor અને lintel ની વચ્ચે door opening જે drawing માં છે right it is there so that we have to provide And for that, the lines of the wall masonry, that we have to first of all remove it, and then we have to show a door, two parallel lines on either side of the center line for the door frame, that we have to show, right? The thickness of the door frame can be taken as 10 centimeter, and at the top and bottom for the cut part of the frame, we have to darken a square of 10 by 10 centimeter, okay, at the top and bottom. And you will be removing these slanting lines of parallel lines of for which we have shown the masonry, that you need to remove before drawing the door frame, okay. So this completes our drawing with the door opening, okay. And then you will add the dimensions of the door opening as shown in the drawing, like this.